All right. I would like to show you how you can actually draw decision trees using a tool that is called YBN tree plan. Okay, so it's a free tool that you can actually make use of and you can make use it as an add-in your Excel. So what do you need to do? Just ensure that you close um, existing existing Excel windows. And then you go here on YBN, and then it will take you to this page. You click on code, you download zip. After downloading zip, obviously you're gonna now go to your downloads where you would find your tree plan, right? So you right click on it, and then you say extract all. It's gonna allow you to choose the folder that you would want your contents to be extracted from a zip folder. Then once that is done, you open your Excel file, right? Open an Excel file. Um, and then after that, you can now go to options. Okay, let's just give you some time, right? So you go to options and you go to add-ins, you click on go, and then you browse. After browsing, you now go to the folder where you extracted your files. In my case, it's tree plan, right? And then tree plan master, you select this and then click OK. So in my case, I've already installed this, so no need to worry. So if it is giving you problems in terms of adding this in your Excel, what you simply need to do is to follow through the steps that I've presented here. For example, it can give you an error like this, whereby it says this file type is not supported um, is not supported in protected view, right? So what you need to do now is to go back to your add-in where you extracted it, um, to the folder where your download is, and then you just right click on these two files. You go to properties, and then you click on unblock. There should be unblock here. You do the same for the other file as well, because you're not really sure which one is going to be the one that is going to be selected. In this case, properties as well, and then you click on unblock. Unblock should appear here. I've already unblocked mine, hence you can't see that option, but it might be important to do that. Then after that, you can just click OK, and you should be able to see the tree plan section appearing in your Excel, right? So now you can now start plotting your tree diagrams. For instance, you can just say new, you choose your number of branches that you'd want to have. And then if you want to add more, you can actually insert decision, or you can insert an event, or you can remove a branch, or you can do quite a lot of things. You can actually copy this, right? You can copy in this manner, copy sub tree, and then you come to paste. You can paste it in that way. You can even change decisions to events, right? All that is possible through this. I hope this is helpful. You're gonna enjoy, and it's a bye. Thank you.